Kayden. Today I'm going to show you how to rip a cow dummy. So first you have to have something that you can have sticks or something in as your dummy, and then next you need a rope. So I'm going to show you how big you want your rope. So you want to have it about this big. So once you have it this big, you kind of want to have extra, and when you have extra of the rope, you have to have like this. And then you would hold it kind of like this, where you have the extra and the rope, holding it together with a little space in between the knot. Okay, and then how you're going to want to throw it is you're going to want to come up like this, and then once you do this, you're going to throw it, okay? And then if you get it, you start rolling back up, and then you come here. We undo it right here, undo it, and then you have it kind of like this now, and then you would leave your dummy where it is, and then you pretty much are done. And you also want to have a glove, so when you rope, it doesn't squeeze your skin, so it doesn't hurt when you throw it. And also, when you throw it, you don't want to go out, because that's going to make you miss. And I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so say I have all of this. Okay, right here. I'm gonna start swinging. I missed. Okay, so you don't want to release too far out, and that's why we practice, so you don't mess up. Thanks for watching. This is Charlie, and he is eating his breakfast. This is Avery, and he is also eating his breakfast. This is Sassy, and she is also eating her breakfast. This is Reba, and she is also eating her breakfast.